Hello, I'm Dr. Vidhi, your host at Scano Cafe. Welcome once again to yet another episode of Scano Cafe, the podcast. Today we have a very interesting personality with us, Dr. Gibran Nurani, who is a dentist, a writer, the first dental influencer of India, and we are super excited to have conversation with him. Welcome to our show, Dr. Gibran.
Thank you so much, doctor, for having me. अभी डेंटिस्ट राइटर और ये भी ऐड कर लिया है. अभी मैं थोड़ा प्लम्बिंग सीख रहा हूँ, इलेक्ट्रिशियन भी सीख रहा हूँ, तो थोड़े थोड़े दिन में वो भी ऐड कर दूंगा. सो घर का सारा काम मैं कर लूंगा, रोटी वोटी भी बना लेता हूँ मैं. सो रोटी मेकर ऑल्सो, हस्बैंड ऑल्सो, एवरीथिंग इंक्लूडेड. Thank you for having me at Scano Cafe.
We are super excited to have this conversation today to understand your journey and inspire a lot of people out there who are looking at various career options or verticals, who are dental surgeons. And as we know, right, dental surgeons are very versatile, but in the past couple of years we've seen that many of them are struggling with their core careers. You have been juggling as a practicing dentist, and I'm very sure, as a very successful dental practitioner, but along with handling these verticals, we would like to understand your journey, if you can, from the beginning, what influenced you to be in this field.
Firstly, I want to say actually कि मतलब बहुत लोग पूछते हैं ऐसा कि when do dentists और doctors get the time to be creative, ठीक है. इसका मेरे पास बहुत एक सरल जवाब है. हमारे पास वक्त बहुत होता है, ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं है कि डॉक्टर्स हमेशा काम करते रहते हैं. while we are studying also, at that time also college होता था, postings होती थी, but you get a lot of free time. I have come from that generation. हम थोड़े वो Gen Z के पहले वाले generation हैं, जहाँ पे ना कुछ वक्त होता था जहाँ पे आपकी creativity चलती थी. तभी phones उतने नहीं थे, तब दिमाग ज्यादा चलता था. तो I think वहाँ से हमको humor content भी मिलना शुरू हुआ है. जर्नी की बात करें तो it was very simple. After lockdown और after COVID, उससे पहले से जर्नी शुरू हुई थी मेरी, because I used to write for a lot of influencers. I'm also a writer. I used to handle the video page of RVCJ, Rajnikant vs CID jokes. So 2015 से लेके 2018 तक I was one of the spearheads of that vertical in RVCJ. So उस वक्त बहुत सारे जो influencers, जो अब influencers हो गए हैं, वो टाइम पे they were YouTubers and they were TikTok makers. तो इनके लिए ना मैं sketches लिखता था. So from Just Neil Things, from छोटे मियाँ, बड़े मियाँ, आशीष चंचलानी, all of these जो टाइम पे यूट्यूबर्स थे, अब जो काफ़ी बड़े नाम हो चुके हैं. आशीष के लिए मैंने एक शो लिखा, क्लास ऑफ 2017, which is streaming on Z5 I think right now or some other platform. And ऐसे मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए लिखा था. टिकटॉक होने के बाद, लॉकडाउन होने के बाद, they all skyrocketed. They did really well and I'm very very happy for all of them. But then I realized after lockdown कि हमारे डेंटल कम्युनिटी के लिए कोई डेंटिस्ट कैरेक्टर नहीं है. हमारी डेंटल कम्युनिटी के लिए कोई ह्यूमन नहीं है, ठीक है. सो दैट टाइम आई सीन दिस फॉरेन एक इजिप्शियन डेंटिस्ट है जो इनके बाल नहीं है. अभी तो आप बोल नहीं सकते, टकला नहीं बोल सकते हो अभी आजकल लैंग्वेज में, बट या जिनके बाल नहीं है, ही मेड अ वेरी फनी म्यूजिकल वीडियो, ठीक है ना, very lyrically interesting video. And I realized कि there is nobody who is actually doing stuff for the dental community. लेकिन हमारे problems, हमारे जो humor generate हो सकता है, जो हमारे day to day lives के बारे में कोई बता ही नहीं रहा, कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा. और as a community, we as dentists are not doing really well. Like it's not with every, it's actually with every profession कि हर कोई struggle कर रहा है अपनी अपनी जगह पे. So I just wanted to give our dental community a little bit of spark of humor, कि आपके relevant कुछ चीज हो जाए, आप देखोगे, आपको एक मिनट में स्माइल मिल जाए. That was my biggest compliment. That's my biggest achievement. अगर आपको एक मिनट में वो हंसी आ जाती है, आप फील करते हो कि हाँ चलो आज मैं अपनी लाइफ में, अपने डे टू डे प्रैक्टिस में और अच्छा कर लूंगा, just because एक स्माइल मुझे मिल गई है, एक स्पार्क मुझे मिल गया है. And this is what everybody is going through. I think that was my agenda of doing it and starting this in 2021-22 के आसपास. I started in the middle somewhere. June में I started in 2022, where I started doing videos twice a week. And now, alhamdulillah, a lot of people are watching it and some of them are getting inspired. As you said, कि मतलब थोड़ा आप अपने डे टू डे स्ट्रगल में थोड़ा एक हंसी का, मजाक का थोड़ा एक मोमेंट ले लो. So I think that is what I want to inspire people to do. I don't want them to start joking with their patients and उनकी टांग खींचने लगो, जो मैं करता हूँ. बिकॉज वो हर एक का फॉर्मूला नहीं होना चाहिए, बट ठीक है, इंस्पायर टू बिकम बेटर एट योर जॉब एंड डूइंग समथिंग गुड फॉर द डेंटिस्ट्री पार्ट. दैट इज द एजेंडा व्हाई आई डिड इट। एंड अब माशाल्लाह 1.5-2 साल में एक लोगों को समझ में आ गया कि भाई हाँ, ये राइटर डेंटिस्ट भी है और ये लिखता भी है और ये इन्फ्लुएंसिंग भी करता है। तो
Right.
इन्फ्लुएंसिंग का मेरे को पता नहीं कि कैसे होता है, मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज पता है कि मुझे अपनी कम्युनिटी को हंसाना है, मेरे अपने डेंटिस्ट लोगों को खुश रखना है। तो दैट वाज द एजेंडा ऑफ बीइंग, कमिंग एंड मेकिंग दिस कंटेंट।
Right. No, it indeed is very inspiring because I think we needed such a figure in India who talks about difficult journey what a dental surgeon goes through, especially in the initial years, yet show them in a most humor way, right? Which they are able to relate. So they can maybe find some solutions around it, or at least for that moment of time, as it mentioned, they would smile and laugh and forget about their tensions.
Correct. And also what happens is कि as a patient ना, a lot of time because dentist का हमने बचपन से देखा है, ठीक है, कि बहुत स्कैरी कम्युनिटी है, ठीक है ना। मतलब मुझे डर लगता है जाने के लिए, माँ बाप भी बोल देते हैं तुम ब्रश नहीं करोगे तो मैं डेंटिस्ट के पास ले जाऊंगी। हम यमराज है, ठीक है ना। हम डॉक्टर्स की कम्युनिटी के यमराज है कि तुम नहीं अच्छा करोगे तो तुम्हें डेंटिस्ट के पास ले जाएंगे। सो the reason for creating this character of the dentist, which I am in real life also, I'm very थोड़ा humorous in this way, but yeah, when I need to be serious I'll be serious, but I wanted to create this character because अब अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई लेमन देख रहा है, कोई पेशेंट देख रहा है, he should not be scared to go to a dentist. He should feel यार ये डेंटिस्ट जो है ना, मतलब probably I've seen that video where you know he's very funny, he's very genuine, बहुत ऐसे लोग होते हैं, तो मैं जा सकता हूँ या जा सकती हूँ बिना fear, you know. And probably I might have a good time also in the clinic. And because there was this one patient who had come to me and he said कि after the treatment कि सर पता ही नहीं चला कि ट्रीटमेंट हुआ है, ये तो क्लिनिक लगता ही नहीं है, ठीक है। सो आई डिडंट नो वेदर इट वाज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट और जस्ट उसने मजाक उड़ा दिया मेरा, बट या यू नो यू वांट टू मेक दैट एटमॉस्फेयर बिकॉज़ आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग समबडी के इट्स नॉट अबाउट द ट्रीटमेंट एनीमोर, ठीक है ना। डेंटल प्रैक्टिस में अब ट्रीटमेंट का बात नहीं है, ठीक है ना। इट्स मोर अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस, ठीक है। What experience do you give to the patient? If the patient has pain-free experience, and also he had fun, he had a relationship with you. So I think that is what is important, and that's what I want to give to the community as well, and especially the patients also. कि patient should also realize कि हाँ हम जा सकते हैं ये dentist के पास में। अब वैसा बात नहीं है 20 years ago, 30 years ago, where you know आपको laughing gas देके आपको हथौड़े से मारते थे, ठीक है। अब वो वाला community और वो वाला age नहीं रहा। Now it's very pain free, and we are also as a community are having fun in our profession. We are also trying to look at how we can do advanced stages of treatments, and you know क्या होता है ना, गिन के dental procedures, general dental procedures बहुत कम है। मैं उंगली पे गिना दूंगा उतने dental procedures ही है। I tell my associates कि if I train a monkey, a monkey can also do that, okay? But it's not that, okay? It's how you speak to a patient, how you treat that patient. That patient is a human being. It's a running machine.
Correct.
Okay? If you're working in a running machine, you shouldn't harm that machine. And how do you treat that patient? That's very important. How do you speak to that patient? It's very important. And in that, अगर वो patient को लगता है कि ये dentist और ये dental community ही अपने आप में उतनी स्कैरी नहीं है यार, हमारे माँ बाप ने, हमारे पेरेंट्स ने शायद डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, अब ये कम्युनिटी डिफरेंट है। दैट इज द मेजर रीजन व्हाई आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट दिस कैरेक्टर और दिस ह्यूमर और दिस एंटायर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग जो कहते हैं, ताकि पेशेंट्स भी थोड़ा फिल्टर डाउन हो जाए, वाटर डाउन हो जाए कि भाई अब हम जा सकते हैं, दे आर नॉट वेरी स्कैरी एनीमोर,
राइट।
सो दैट इज द सीन।
We are hitting a very important issue here, which is eliminating the fear or phobia from patients, right? As you rightly mentioned, पहले की जनरेशन को लगता था डॉक्टर्स आर वेरी स्कैरी, डॉक्टर्स एज अ कम्युनिटी, फिर मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स रहे या डेंटल डॉक्टर्स रहे, एंड वैसा आई थिंक और भी रहता था वेयर डॉक्टर्स वांटेड टू शोकास देयर कम्युनिटी एज अ स्ट्रिक्ट वन, as a serious one.
Absolutely, there's still senior dentists who believe that.
So my next question was exactly that.
Correct.
That whenever we start something new or we are trying to challenge the status quo, changing with time, there is always a set of senior doctors, right, who kind of criticize the idea of change. I remember when we had started Scano as well, there was so much of criticism regarding teledentistry and AI in dentistry. So I want to understand, has there been criticism from senior faculty showcasing that, you know, are you spoiling the stature or the status quo of what we've maintained since so many years? And if yes, how did you tackle that?
See, I'll tell you what, there is always a transition phase in every generation, ठीक है। पहले ऑर्कुट आया, फिर फेसबुक आया, ठीक है ना। फेसबुक हैज मेंटेन्ड इट्स रिलेशनशिप विद द जनरेशन, ठीक है। उसने ये नहीं बोला मैं रील्स नहीं करूंगा, ठीक है। या आप एक ट्रांजिशन होता ही है, सचिन तेंदुलकर के बाद में विराट कोहली आता ही है, विराट कोहली जाएगा, उसके बाद ही जायसवाल या और दूसरे प्लेयर्स को टीम में चांस मिलेगा। एंड इफ यू से नहीं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल क्रिकेट मैच में सुनील गावस्कर कहते हैं नहीं डिफेंस खेलो, ठीक है ना, डिफेंस खेलो डिफेंस खेलो डिफेंस खेलो, ऐसे टेस्ट मैच खेला जाता है। ऋषभ पंत आते हैं 30 बॉल में 60 मार के चले जाते हैं, ट्राइंग टू सेव द टीम, एंड ही ट्राई टू मैनेज एंड ट्राई टू सेव द टीम, बिकॉज एक पॉइंट पे एक जनरेशन में उसी हिसाब से आपको खेलना भी पड़ता है या आपको उस हिसाब से मैनेज भी करना पड़ता है। I have had certain senior dentists and they are kind of mentors to me also, saying that you're giving a bad name to the profession. Okay? You should maintain a status quo where there should be fear in the patient. I do not believe in it. Okay? Every person has a different perspective. I respect their perspective because they have come from that generation where एक थोड़ा सा hierarchy maintain करनी होती है, ठीक है, and there still should be a hierarchy definitely कि patient should not be your friend कि आपके गले में हाथ डाल दे और चलना ये patient चलना ये filling कर दे, that should not happen, ठीक है। I always tell my associates कि चाहे कितना भी अच्छा दोस्ती कर लो and you maintain that relationship with the patient, there should be a little film, there should be a little barrier where you can dictate terms when you're treating a patient, ठीक है, so that should not be lost. बट सेइंग कि ह्यूमर से आपका प्रोफेशन का ही बुरा नाम हो जाएगा इज रॉन्ग, ठीक है, बिकॉज देन यू आर नॉट एक्चुअली गोइंग विद द फ्लो ऑफ द जनरेशन, ठीक है ना। नाउ अभी जनरेशन हमारी थी वेयर अभी जेनजीज की जनरेशन है, ठीक है, अब जेनजी इज अ मच मोर ओपन जनरेशन, दे डोंट वांट टू इवन वो ही शी और ये सब में डिवाइड कर दिया उन्होंने अपना जेंडर थिंग्स ऑल्सो, so they are very vocal about what they want, ठीक है, and they're very vocal about what they see. एक clinic में if you still maintain कि I'm a very strict person, I scold you if you do this and I will be very harsh on you, they will just move out and go to somebody else, ठीक है। You have to make a relationship, you have to make them feel relatable, ठीक है, wanted, ठीक है, because this generation wants to be wanted, ठीक है, ना वो बहुत ही आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट उनको चाहिए कि भाई हमारे साथ में कोई हमको हमारे जैसा बंदा रहे मिले, एंड अगर उनको कोई ऐसा बंदा मिल जाता है या ऐसा कोई डेंटिस्ट मिल जाता है जो उनको पहले जैसा स्कोल्ड करे या ऐसा करे तो थोड़ा सा to become a little barrier. See, dentistry is a very intimate, I think, profession, or because you are very close to the patient. ठीक है ना? It's not like a cardio surgeon where आपको unconscious कर दिया है, आपका heart का change हो गया है, and then you just sporadically meet that patient once a day. ठीक है? Dentistry is a procedure or a profession itself जहाँ पे आप everyday मिल रहे हो. For example, a full mouth case आप 2-2 महीना तक चल रहा है. आप 2-2 महीने तक एक दूसरे की शक्ल देख रहे हो. I always tell the patient if I have a full mouth case कि देखिए by the end of this treatment ना you will hate my face, ठीक है? Because and I will be frustrated of looking at your face, ठीक है? Because 2 महीने 3 महीने तक आप almost every day मेरे clinic आ रहे हो, ठीक है? So that's why we need to be friends.
Correct.
That friendship can't be कि मेरे आप गले में हाथ डाल दो, but at least ऐसा friendship होना चाहिए कि you can tell me what the problem is. I am there for you, ठीक है? There is a lot of back and forth with some of my dentists or some seniors where they say do not share your personal numbers with the patients because वो कभी भी आपको phone करते हैं. But I feel the patient should have at least that contact कि वो मुझे phone करके बता सके मुझे problem क्या है. They don't need to go through a hierarchy of assistants and associates and all that. Yeah. So इसीलिए अब ये barrier थोड़ा तोड़ना जरूरी है. Now we've come to that age that barrier can't be there. And I have had, as I told you earlier, a lot of senior dentists have criticized that you are trying to malign the profession. But my thing is that abhi currently in dentistry we are going through a very bleak time. Like a lot of people are leaving dentistry, especially the fresher dentist lot, because they've realized that abhi profession उतना पैसा नहीं है. You can pay a $4,000 in America for a root canal, but you can't charge an 8,000 rupees in India because the patient बोलेगा अरे आप 8,000 ले रहे हो, this dentist is taking 3,000, I'll go there. चाहे वो अच्छा काम करे बुरा काम करे वो उनके पास चले जाते हैं, ठीक है? So the money has been saturated in such a way. So in this time you can't be very arrogant or the patient you can't be very आप attitude नहीं रख सकते हो वैसा.
Right.
Had patients who've seen my video and come and said, sir, we are big fans. And I said, okay. And I thought only dentists are watching it, right, initially. But then these people have come in and said, sir, I want you to do my root canal. I said, I will do it, ठीक है. अब root canal में you have to give an injection, ठीक है. But I have certain humorous lines which I can tell the patient just to make that patient a little lighter,
Right.
लेकिन थोड़ा सा वो अपने mentally भी थोड़ा comfortable हो जाए, ठीक है. Because it's an unseen treatment, ठीक है.
Yes.
It's not like आपके पैर के अंदर fracture है कि मैं repair कर दूंगा तो आप देख रहे हो. You can anticipate pain. In dentistry, आप anticipate नहीं कर सकते हो. It's an unseen pain and it's something that is more scarier.
Yeah.
It's like a ghost.
It's like, and as you mentioned,
Dental pain is like a ghost.
and as you also mentioned, right, it's a live patient. They are not under GA.
Correct.
They are only mostly under LA. So they can feel, I mean, we try to subsidize pain as much as,
Yes.
but of course they can feel the pressure.
Yeah.
They can feel you as close as this. I mean, not,
Exactly. You're
not a
intimate,
foot
no?
away, right,
Yeah.
from the patient.
You're intimate. I always
Yes.
say, मेरे associate dentist को and all young dentists watching this, whenever you're working on a patient, imagine you are ball dancing with them. ठीक है? It has to be that elegant.
Yes.
You can't be mouth. आपको पता है, a patient would know whether the dentist is experienced or not by the way he can hold the mouth mirror in his mouth. ठीक है? आप माउथ मिरर जितना एलिगेंटली उसका चीक रिट्रैक्ट करोगे, पेशेंट पहले एक सेकंड में समझ जाएगा whether this dentist is experienced or not,
Yes.
whether he will work nicely or not. And there the patient will also decide whether I am ruling this session or not. ठीक है? Because the moment patient को समझ में आता है ना कि ये नया डेंटिस्ट है, I can tell him what he should do. मेरे को पता नहीं है, I am not that experienced, I am a patient, but I will tell you what to do. And that time the problems arise.
Correct.
With young dentists, that is where the problems arise, where the patient is telling you, अरे sir, ये सही नहीं कर रहा आप, इधर से ऐसा करो.
हाँ.
You don't tell me what to do. ठीक है? जैसे मैंने कहा,
Correct.
दोस्ती है,
दोस्ती है.
दोस्त नहीं हो आप मेरे. ठीक है?
Right.
So there has to be a little barrier, but with experience only that will come to know, and then you do ball dancing with the patient. Again, there has to be so elegant. You should know the procedure like the back of your hand. कि वो immediately हो रहा है, बड़ा आराम से हो रहा है. The patient doesn't come to know कि कुछ हुआ है. Your hands become that soft.
Yes.
Okay? But that can happen only when you are comfortable with the patient. Okay? So comfort should come from both sides.
Yes.
So the moment I'm giving the injection to the patient, I tell them to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. I give the injection. I massage that area, and then I say, "Okay, ये massage free, man."
Hmm.
So,
Correct.
so they
So
will
they get
also
lighter
they'll
too,
get
right.
lighter.
हाँ.
They've just received an injection. They don't want to hear कि, "Hey, madam, बराबर से थूको या whatever."
Right.
You don't want to be under more pressure. You
Yes.
just want to hear something nice,
Soothing.
soothing. ठीक है ना?
Correct.
It's a spa now. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
Dental spas हो गए अभी.
हाँ.
So that's the reason, some patients have come and they've said, sir, I want to do this procedure with you. And this pain-free or painless, जो हम बहुत सारे dentists advocate और market करते हैं, it's a sham. There is nothing like painless or pain-free. Injections are never painless or pain-free. We can just curb it and make
Yes.
the patient feel lighter. And I feel that's the reason this character is important. कि जब भी आप कोई generation का कोई patient आएगा, they will feel कि yes, we can talk to any dentist. He will make me feel comfortable, and he will make sure that I am smiling throughout the procedure, even before and after and during the procedure. So a lot of videos come from my personal experience, because I'm a very good observer. Because I think writers usually are. So I remember the way you said कि you should have lady fingers. Even if you have male fingers, you should have lady fingers. There was a patient जिसका मैं I think I was doing scaling initial years में, and in the middle of the treatment she said, sir, आपकी कोई girlfriend है क्या? I made a video out of it. And I at that time I was like, नहीं madam, कोई girlfriend नहीं है. She said, पता चलता है. I said, क्यों ऐसा? She said, you don't know how to handle a woman. And it was shocked because I
why would she say that?
Why would you say that? And she said, no, the way you're retracting my cheek, you're pulling me like this. You don't handle a woman like that. You should handle her with care. And it struck me, and till today, whenever I treat a patient, even if it's a male or a female, I always try to treat them कि ये मेरे family member होंगे, ठीक है ना? ये मेरी मम्मी जैसी है, या मेरी friend, मेरी sister जैसी है, या wife जैसी नहीं, क्योंकि wife एक ही होती है, but I'm treating them as a
young
family
patient
member.
or your daughter, right? So we exactly know.
So I would now try to understand their pain, feel their pain, and then treat them very delicately, gently, ठीक है ना? Because as I said, कोई भी procedure कर सकता है. Just एक डेंटल असिस्टेंट 15-20 साल एक डेंटिस्ट के पास काम कर कैन डू बेटर वर्क देन अ फ्रेशर डेंटिस्ट.
Yes.
But what that person will not understand is how to talk to a patient, how to make him comfortable, her comfortable. So that is the trick that the dentist should learn now, and which is high time that we should also, advocate in our own practice.
Correct.
So that is the reason why, it's important to have gentle hands on your
Yes.
patients.
Yes, Dr. Jubran, it has been wonderful knowing your journey so far.
Yeah.
But I want to touch base with the basics again.
Yeah.
When you started your Instagram channel,
Hmm.
right? Walk us through that journey of your 0 to first 10,000 followers and 10,000 to now I see you'll be hitting 16,000 soon, right?
Hopefully जब तक ये
And-
video आएगा तब तक more.
Yes. And mashallah, I pray that you hit 50,000 again soon.
Hopefully.
Right.
50 is less. I want to hit 50 million.
Oh, wonderful. So tell us
Aim for
about
the
your
sky always.
journey so far and how is your plan from your 16K to 50 million as you're planning?
So I'll tell you, the journey doesn't start just from Instagram. It starts, I think, 20 years ago. Because my father is Shakil Nurani. He's directed a film called Juru Ka Gulam. गोविंदा जी थे उसमें, भैया दिलवाला, सुनील शेट्टी थे, श्रीमान आशिक, ऋषि कपूर and Vishnu Deva, Sunny Deol. So he's made 4 films and I always had that creative bone in me and वो खून में है basically. So when my father asked me in 2002-04 के आसपास, what do you want to do? And मैं एक ही था जो हमारे घर में पढ़ाई किया था, मतलब बाकी सब फेल होते हुए आए थे सिबलिंग्स मेरे, बट मैं एक पढ़ाई किया था तो, और हमारे घर में कोई नीम हकीम भी नहीं, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है. So, and at that time, so I wanted to become a director. I still want to, and hopefully someday you'll see my film also. But my father said it's very unstable profession. So why don't you do some stable profession? And उसी वक्त मेरा एक treatment हुआ था where I did 8 fillings, where I got 8 fillings done in my mouth, and I paid a lot of money. So I said, यार इसमें पैसा है. Let's do this. गुजराती दिमाग थोड़ा चलता भी है. So I like इसमें पैसा है. Yeah, so dentistry. I said I want to do dentistry. So even when I got a medical seat, I said, no, I don't want to do medical. I want to do dentistry. Paisa isme. Yeah. So I went to Al-Amin Dental College, Bijapur, it's in Karnataka, and I studied there. And I think I went in with a bachelor's in creativity, and I came out with a master's from there because I had stage fear when I went there. When I went there, seniors के सामने ना मेरे से ये सब मतलब पैर हिलते थे डर के मारे, performing in front of stage or speaking to somebody also. Like at that time when I started speaking to women, like girls of my class, उस टाइम में मेरी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड थी नहीं कभी भी लाइफ में. So I didn't know how to speak to a girl also. So मैं क्या करता था, I used to make notes कि आज ना environment पे बात करेंगे, आज gravity पे बात करेंगे, and she would say, what bullshit topics are these? And I was like, इसके बारे में आज तुम्हारा favorite actor कौन है? So I would make a 12 page questionnaire कि what I will speak to a girl, ठीक है? So I realized slowly कि ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है, you just have to, either you're born with it or not.
Correct.
So धीरे I started hosting all my college के shows. So I used to perform, I used to host, I used to even hold shows in my college. And जब क्लास चल रही होती थी, I would write some scripts in the background because हमारे जो माइक्रो के और ये सारे प्रोफेसर्स थे, उनका क्लास ना वो लाइट बंद करके लेते थे, ठीक है? तो हम तो पीछे या तो सो जाते थे या वो पीछे स्क्रिप्टिंग चालू रहती थी. So in Al-Amin Dental College, I feel I gained a lot of creative knowledge. Then I came back in 2009. I started writing. Okay? I even started practicing at that time because my father was like, degree किए तो पढ़ भी तो लो. So I started practicing. I give all my 100-200% in whatever I do. So I used to practice in 6 different clinics at that time. So I used to move out at 10 a.m. in the morning, come back, work from 10 to 1 in one clinic, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 10 another clinic. So ऐसे कुछ 5-6 clinic I used to work, then come back at 10 p.m. at night and then start writing till 3 a.m. 4 a.m. तक.
Wow.
And after I finished my first script, I gave it to my father. I said, "This is what." He asked me, "ये कौन सी English film का copy मारा है?" I said, "नहीं कोई English film नहीं है.
This is original
This is original script." Okay. So then he said, "You should go and sell this. You're a good writer."
And this is before the era of ChatGPT.
This is
where
before.
You had
before, this
no
is
help,
2009
no
के
co-pilot.
आसपास. So I did my dentistry in 2004 to 9.
Correct.
So this is 2009 के आसपास. So my father said, "You try and go and sell it to somebody." And he said, "I will not help you because I didn't get my help from anybody. I don't believe in nepotism." Kash believe करते, but anyways. So he said, "I will not, try. You go and try and sell it to yourself." तो उस वक्त मेरी एक और फ्रेंड है, डॉक्टर देविना. She is also an actor. So हम दोनों क्या करते थे, सर कोई भी ऑफिस में वी वुड गो लाइक आफ्टर फिनिशिंग आवर क्लिनिक, उस टाइम पे मैंने अपना क्लिनिक डाल दिया था एक जगह पे. So from 9 to 1 I used to go to the clinic. From 1 to 5 I had lunch break. I would not eat food. I would rather take a vada pav and just मैं और देवीना हम लोग एक बाइक पे बैठ के निकल जाते थे. We would go to production houses, ठीक है, कि and knock and say, सर हाँ राइटर चाहिए क्या सर? नहीं राइटर नहीं चाहिए. अच्छा देवीना हाँ अच्छा हाँ एक्टर चाहिए क्या सर? नहीं एक्टर भी नहीं चाहिए. अच्छा सर हाँ लंच है क्या सर? दाल चावल भी चलेगा सर. So ऐसे करके we moved around
prod house to prod house,
and then come back to the clinic around 5 o'clock. Correct. Because you have to again treat patients.
Right.
So in that journey 1.5 साल निकल गया और कुछ काम नहीं हुआ. हमने सिर्फ and I used to Barry Jones करके एक academy है. So I didn't have the money to study there. But वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स मेरे पास आते थे स्क्रिप्ट लिखवाने. So I used to charge 500 rupees per script. ठीक है. So मैं उनके लिए लिखता था, नाम उनका आता था. ठीक है. And one of the scripts actually won an award there also, and they couldn't give the credit to me because obviously I take the money, not the credit. So eventually, after 1.5 years, one day I got really frustrated. And Gangs of Wasseypur करके एक फिल्म थी, है ना, और cult classic. उसका Q&A session था. I went there. I met Anurag Kashyap. Anurag sir met me, and Anurag sir had a very different experience with my father. So my father was very famous in the 90s. कि अगर आपको कहीं खाना नहीं मिलेगा ना, मेरे फादर के ऑफिस में मिल जाएगा. So Anurag sir, while he was struggling at that time, he knew कि एक जगह तो खाना मिलता ही है. Anurag sir, Imtiaz Ali, and all of these people will come to my father, and my father didn't have any clue about it. So my father said, "Oh, you are my Anurag sir said you are Shakil Rani's son. Okay, okay. You should meet Zishan Kadri, who's the writer of Gangs of Wasseypur." And I met Zishan bhai. He's now like a brother to me. At that time, I didn't know him. So I gave him the script and I said, sir, I got very frustrated that time. I said, sir, if you don't like this script now, इसको फेंक देना या उसको चने वाने बेचने के लिए काम आ जाएगा, वैसा कर देना. So I think it really hit him that time, and he called me next day. He read the script in the night, and he said, हम साथ में काम कर सकते हैं क्या? So he didn't say कि तू मेरे लिए काम करेगा क्या? Right. He said हम साथ में काम कर सकते हैं, and which is a very big thing for him to say because he got Gangs of Wasseypur. I didn't have anything that time. So I started writing with him, and मुझे वहां से काम मिलने लगा. तो आई वाज लाइक अब तो मेरे को डेंटिस्ट्री की जरूरत ही नहीं है, ठीक है ना, अरे बाहर में जाए डेंटिस्ट लोग है वगैरह. बट आई लेफ्ट प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ ईयर, ठीक है ना, इन 2012 2013 आई लेफ्ट प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ ईयर. आई कुडंट राइट after leaving the practice because what happens is dentistry and writing are both creative professions, ठीक है ना. We always say it's an art and science, right? Dentistry, right? So it's both creative. What happens is writing may you get blocked. You get writer's block after a point, and you get mind block. Then in dentistry, you forget about that block.
Yes.
Okay? You start writing. You start practicing on a patient, and you are actually working creatively. Then when you come back to the writing thing, you are more refreshed.
Yes.
And जब तक dentistry से आप burnout हो रहे हो, आप writing में आ रहे हो, आप dentistry का burnout भूल जाते हो. So there is
complement each other.
There is a complement to each other where conscious and an unconscious or subconscious mind is working together. So for that 1 year, I realized I couldn't write without dentistry. So I need my dentistry for my writing, and for my writing, I need my dentistry. So it's a conjoined twins that I have it in my head. Okay, so then again, I started my clinic in 2013. I've written 3 films: Merathia Gangsters, Halahal, Teet Patange, Alia Basu Gayab hai. These 4 films I've written. I've written after that somewhere around 13 web series. Punch Beat, Class of 2017, Fixer, Rai Singhani versus Rai Singhani, Chamai Raja, Lutere. A lot of stuff is still coming. But in 2015, as I said, RVCJ, I started the video page and I wrote for a lot of influencers. And by 2021-22, abhi itna journey hone ke baad, I realized myself there is nobody doing this for my dental community. And I wanted to do it for myself also. Okay, बहुत हो गया दूसरों के लिए लिख के यार, अभी मुझे खुद के लिए भी कुछ करना है. And I wanted to get closer to the dental community. I wanted to get closer to the patient community. That's why I started this page. And it wasn't easy at the start. From 0 to 10,000, it took me a year and a half. Because I'm putting only 2 videos a week, Tuesday or Fridays को. मैं और ज़्यादा नहीं डालता. लोग करते हैं, it must be working for them. But I believe in quality then quantity. So I work on my videos in such a way कि मैं सोचता हूँ कि मेरे लाइफ के क्या incidents है, how can we make it funny, and I spend time on the edit. मैं उसको करेक्ट करता हूँ, उसका पोस्टर मेरी वाइफ बनाती है. So हम ये सब करने के बाद में I put that video. So 2 videos a week I put, and पहले इतना रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया, बट एटलीस्ट ये रिस्पॉन्स आ गया कि लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है.
Right.
There
They're
have been-
consuming the content.
there have been a lot of comments where people have said you deserve so much more followers. ठीक है.
Right.
Now see in social media, again a little controversial thing to say is कि it is easier for a girl to get following. Okay? Especially in times where अब तो इतना स्नैकेबल कंटेंट हो गया रील्स पे कि लड़कियां सिर्फ डांस कर लेती हैं, उनको फॉलोइंग हो जाती है. लड़के बेचारे ना वो नहीं कर पाते. हम या तो क्रिंज कर सकते हैं, या तो हम एक्चुअल ह्यूमर कर सकते हैं, या गुड क्वालिटी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो देयर इज अ डिस्पैरिटी बिटवीन देम. सो मतलब then it was not very easy for getting those following. You have to constantly give good content. You can't just make one कच्चा बादाम वाला वीडियो and हाँ आगे following. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Again, especially in today's time, it's very difficult to get following.
Yes.
You have to constantly give good videos. You can't depend on one good video. You have to constantly give good videos so that the following builds up. And whoever is starting right now, you can start anytime. You just need to be constant and you need to be good content maker. And you should know what is your goal. Okay, so initially, मेरा idea पैसा कमाने का नहीं था. My idea was to create this character and have fun with it. Okay? Now also I'm very happy when I make these videos, when I do these edits and people like it, people comment on it. And I get comments from Pakistan, from USA, from Indonesia. Some dentist in Indonesia has messaged me, I really like the videos. I do not understand the language, but my subtitles डालता हूँ, I make my subtitles myself. They say we relate to it.
Correct.
So it's a genuine general problem with dentistry.
Right.
जो मैं दिखाने की कोशिश करता हूँ globally, and you would not believe I have more female following than male following, which is rare in today's content creation, because हमारे पास क्या मेल्स ही ज्यादा देखते हैं. एक स्टैट ये था जब हम आरबीसी में काम करते कि 70% or 73% was male, 27% was female. My stats is 51% female, 49% male.
Wow.
And even some of my content जिसमें हम थोड़े आदमी लड़कों वाले मस्ती करते हैं, उस पे लड़कियों के कमेंट ज्यादा आते हैं. ठीक है ना. जैसे कोई हस्बैंड वाइफ का कंटेंट बनाया, there are female dentists who put in more comments के this is funny, because see sense of humor होना बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है. And especially I feel females have more sense of humor and more sense of pain also. Okay, like if there is a female patient, I'm very happy because I know she can endure a little bit of pain or sensitivity. A male patient will not endure sensitivity or pain. मतलब जितना भी मुझे ऐसा दिखता है ना कि एक बहुत बॉडी बिल्डर पेशेंट है, उसको सबसे ज्यादा सेंसिटिविटी होगी, उसको ज्यादा पेन होगा. And a very frail woman or frail female will never feel anything, because females have more capacity to take pain. So coming back to आपको नीश बनाना है. So I'm very happy कि now a lot of dentists, a lot of students are coming into it and they're trying to make some content. Some are making informative, some are trying to do humor, and I really support it because हमारे community को ये चाहिए, हमारे dental community को ये चाहिए. In this bleak time where there is a lot of saturation, these moments of happiness and fun will, just give you that lighter moments.
Correct. Yeah, I think in this era of social media where you're connected so much, you've never been so disconnected too, right? And if you look at loneliness, if you look at all the cases of anxiety and depressions going up, these moments of laughter and happiness with relatability and humor is something that
बहुत जरूरी है. मतलब हम अपने कॉलेज में सोचते थे, I don't know which year you passed, but I'm a little older. हमारे टाइम पे ना फोन वो नहीं होते थे कि अभी मोबाइल फोन के इतनी अच्छी कनेक्टिविटी नहीं होती थी. हमारे टाइम पे when I started college वो ऐसा वाला फोन था, टीवी वाला. So we used to think यार हम ना टच में रहेंगे. ठीक है. वो दिल चाहता है वाला सीन था कि हर साल मिलते रहेंगे. And that made us bond a little more because there was no phones. वो 100 messages दिन के होते थे और वो आधे दिन में खत्म हो जाते थे. ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या करें. ठीक है. So we talk. ठीक है. We used to talk and talk and talk. So हमारा बॉन्डिंग ऐसा होता था और हम ये सोचते थे कि यार कैसे तो कनेक्शन होना चाहिए, साथ में रहना चाहिए. तो हम स्लैम बुक, स्क्रैप बुक में अपना नंबर ये वो लिखते थे, एड्रेस के भाई तू कभी आएगा तो मिलना. Now social media has connected all of us, but still हम ज्यादा दूर हो गए. है ना. आज नंबर है, सोशल मीडिया पे हर कोई है, बट बात कब होती है? आप बताओ कब मिलके बात करते हैं? The last time when you sat down with your friends and had a conversation about nothing.
Right.
Never. नहीं होता है क्योंकि आप काम में इतने मसरूफ हो गए हैं. आप सब सोशल मीडिया ने एक्चुअली आपको सबको मसरूफ कर दिया है. रादर आपको मिलाने के लिए आप मसरूफ कर दिया. टुडे आई ट्राई टू टेक आउट टाइम एंड टेल माय फ्रेंड्स कि आओ संडे आओ, बैठते शीशा पीते, लेकिन बातें करते हैं. लेकिन let's not
keep all the gadgets away and
let's
have
keep
some
the gadgets away.
real deep conversations.
आके बात करते, मस्ती करते हैं यार, थोड़ा फन करते हैं. बस ये मतलब pranks करते हैं. I was known for my pranks in my college. So even today I do that pranks on my wife sometimes. So she married me because she thought I was funny. She didn't know कि शादी के बाद मुझ पे ही jokes होने वाले हैं. So उस पे pranks होने वाले. So अब क्या है, in the end eventually it comes down to your best friend is your wife because no other friend have time for you.
Correct. Yes, absolutely. I think pressing more on this topic, I really wanted to cover is social media has increased, right? There has been enough connection of patients too with us.
जी.
With increasing other technologies.
Yeah.
Like everything has shifted from traditional record keeping on books to patient management systems.
जी.
And now AI being inculcated in
Yeah.
dentistry.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts, coming from the background that we spoke about? How much have you inculcated technology and AI in your practices? And how do you think it will take shape further?
See, I think मैंने एक बार बीच में ही बोल दिया था इस इंटरव्यू में या इस पॉडकास्ट में कि you have to go with the flow. ठीक है ना, you have to keep on updating yourself. ठीक है, you can't be arrogant और अड़ियल नहीं हो सकते आप कि भाई मैं नहीं करूंगा, मैं पेशेंट मैनेजमेंट नहीं यूज करूंगा, मैं पेपर ही रखूंगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है, कब तक करोगे, कब तक? योर असिस्टेंट विल लीव वन डे, उसकी शादी हो जाएगी, उसको बच्चा हो जाएगा या उसका कुछ दूसरी शादी हो जाएगी, व्हाटएवर. देन हु विल हैंडल दोस पेपर्स? यू कांट हैंडल एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, यू हैव टू रिलाई ऑन दिस टेक्नोलॉजी. ठीक है, आई हैव शिफ्टेड टू अ पेशेंट मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर इन 2016-17. उससे पहले हम पेपर्स रखते थे. अब कोई पेशेंट आ गया 2 साल पहले का, वो पेशेंट ढूंढने जाते थे. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू अपडेट योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू रिलाई ऑन अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ AI. Now technology is coming into dentistry and I'm happy about it. It might reduce my work only. I just saw an interview of Ben Affleck थोड़े दिन पहले, who said कि AI might replace everything or humans. It can't replace physical work. ठीक है ना, dentistry में AI would help or add on to a dentist's productivity. ठीक है, it might not replace dentist. ठीक है ना, I have to physically get inside a patient. Every patient is different. हमको रूट कनाल सिखाते हैं ना, हमको सिखाते हैं ये पल्प है, ड्रॉप है, वो सब जो मिथ्स बोला जाता है हमको. बट एवरी पल्प, एवरी टूथ, एवरी पेशेंट इज डिफरेंट. फॉर AI to understand that, for a robot to get into that, it will take years and years. ठीक है, but it can help the dentist today. ठीक है ना, it can reduce the problems that a dentist might face. The productivity might only increase. We have to join hands with AI or it will cross us one day. ठीक है, so आपको म्यूचुअली कोलैबोरेट करना ही पड़ेगा टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में. आप अभी बहुत ज्यादा सिर्फ अपने टैक्टाइल सेंसेशन पे रिलाई नहीं कर पाओगे, आपको मूव अहेड करना पड़ेगा. See, if you see cardiovasculars also, like cardiac surgeons also, now robots have come in during their surgeries, but it's not that the robot is doing it all by itself, right?
Yes.
They are right now, I think 10 years, 10-15 years ahead of us. We are still behind, we are still lagging behind.
Right.
But progress हो रहा है. अब implants पहले बहुत difficult एक procedure माना जाता था, अब routine होते जा रहा है.
Correct.
I kept telling my patient कि सर शायद हो सकता है 15 years बाद ना कोई root canal कराएगा ही नहीं.
Right, everybody will go for
I'll say,
implants.
okay, infection is remove it, put implant. Because implant prices are coming down, the technology is increasing day by day. Now
Loading period is coming down.
Loading
right?
period is coming down. I have heard about pin implants.
Right.
जो भी आप डालोगे 15 days बाद आप सीधा cap दे दो patient को. Why would I spend money on a root canal and a cap? Rather I'll spend money on a implant, right? So technology improve होगी तभी जाके ये सब चीज भी होगी ना, and it will help the dentist only.
Correct.
ठीक है, today I'm slogging for a root canal and cap and ये isolation ये वो. Rather remove it, put implant, and because my technology will improve, today guided implants are there. Tomorrow maybe AI will help us with the guided implants. ठीक है, कि अच्छा ये guide बन गया है, AI will help us tell us which point to put. It might become the second, third hand. We have 2 hands, it can become the third hand.
Right.
It will only increase productivity.
Right.
It will improve the patient experience, and it will make us more sincere to our procedures. Is what I feel is going to happen. And you can't take a backstep and say, नहीं हम AI allow ही नहीं करेंगे.
Correct.
You can't stop it. It will eventually come.
It will eventually come, and we are also in India. We are seeing semi-robotics already enter, right?
Exactly.
In Western market, we have fully robotics, where doctors are of course monitoring those robots,
Yes.
but fully robotic procedure is done of implant placement or planning of the treatment.
Correct.
Coming back to you mentioned you integrated PMS in 2016-17, right?
Yes,
And then your
yes.
life has changed after that.
Absolutely.
Do you have any numbers to share? Even approximate is fine. Where how has the patient engagement increased? How has the record keeping increased? And an overall experience which has increased the efficiency of clinic.
When you're doing only ultrasonic scaling, right? There are two types of practices that we are doing right now: mass and class. Okay? Mass mean you are just gaining experience. Okay? You can make money out of it, but you're slogging your ass off. Okay? In class practice, you have to give the patient an experience. Okay? Patient management software आने के बाद से the patient have started when they get a message. Okay, this appointment is this time. Okay? They start believing, okay, this is a very professional setup. Okay? This is not something कि हाँ आ जाओ anytime. Okay? And it gives you an entire overview कि कितने patients आ रहे हैं, what money you're making, okay? How you can plan your months when you have the entire year का एक research पूरा आपके पास रहता है. So you can plan your entire year. Like for example, many people don't believe it, but we also have seasons as a dentist. Okay? From October, November से लेके March, April तक you are on a very good season. ठीक है? You get a lot of patients because ठंडी आएगी, लोगों के दांत में दर्द होगा ही. ठीक है? After April, May to June, July, there are no patients. ठीक है? Because बारिश होती है, लोग अपने vacations पे निकल जाते हैं. उसके बाद festivals शुरू हो जाते हैं. So there is a bleak period in the and patient management software can tell you all of this beforehand.
Yes.
So you can manage your stuff beforehand.
Right.
कि अगर मेरा ये पीरियड में ज्यादा पेशेंट्स आने वाले, I'll call for more material and keep it. I don't need to rely कि मेरा material वाला नहीं आएगा. I know this period I do not have these many patients. I'll call for less material. I will have less investment to put in. In October I know कि अब ये यहाँ से patient शुरू होने वाले, I can invest in a digital scanner. And so that's how patient management software has helped me in understanding how my clinic is running. So and this is the future. This is the only way we can go about it now. हम वो calendar maintain करना या book maintain करना का time चले गया.
Correct.
It's redundant now, and we are moving towards that, and it has really helped my practice.
Right.
And patient का record maintain करना. Patient को क्या दवाई दी है मैंने? For example, many people don't believe it. Patient किस चीज से allergic है? If I have given him or her a certain kind of antibiotic and I know कि patient इस चीज से allergic है, मेरे record में है already. It flashes on my record कि भाई don't give it to this patient, and I have given him an antibiotic 6 months ago.
Correct.
So that antibiotic is safe to give him. So I think that's why it's very interesting and very important to have patient management
PMS,
software.
right? And as you rightly said, the kind of data that you get sliced and diced, right, all the analytics is just not possible through manual effort.
Okay.
And you're able to predict, which is the most powerful tool, I believe, of how will your practice behave, what should be the necessary steps from your end, and you can plan your entire year beforehand.
Absolutely.
You need not have those last moment emergencies.
I can have an associate.
Yeah.
When I have two setups, I can have an associate to the high time and probably tell the associate, "Bhai, abhi ye time pe nahi hone wala hai," so you can do locums. So you can plan your entire
Resources
clinical working according to what the research material or the material that you have already from PMS.
Correct. Yes. A last piece on AI before we jump to the conclusory rapid fire round.
Achha,
right? You have seen the demo of Scano Air, doctor, right? And I think with AI into diagnostics on RGB images, which we are giving access to patients, so they can take proactive actions. We are just touching the tip of the iceberg right now.
Absolutely.
There's so much to unveil, and there's so much of AI to be integrated in diagnostics, in treatment planning, and post-treatment care that we give to our patients.
Yes.
What do you think is the future of such digital kiosks or digital, avatar of giving screening accessible to patients, and how will it lead to? I mean, initial momentum we all have seen, where patients used to just postpone or procrastinate their treatments. Now, when they can through Gen AI see the future of what will happen if they don't take the steps now, the footfall has increased, the revenue have eventually increased, but it's not to that extent.
Yeah.
I think that's one part. What other action items do you think that we will see from the patient side once all of this is integrated across patient catchment areas?
See, I'll tell you what, one thing I have realized is dentistry is the most neglected healthcare in our country. Because पहले क्या होता था, लोग कहते थे कि दांत में दर्द हो रहा है, निकाल दो. ठीक है. अभी थोड़ा लोगों में एजुकेशन आ रहा है. We are learning कि सेविंग अ टूथ इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. अभी कुछ पेशेंट्स ऐसे आ रहे हैं जो अब अपने बच्चों को कुछ डिफरेंट ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं, फ्लॉसिंग सिखा रहे हैं. फ्लॉसिंग हमारे पास कल्चर ही नहीं है. इट्स सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोसीजर, बट हमारे कोई करता ही नहीं है. नाउ एक चीज मैंने बचपन से सीखी है और मैं आपको अभी बताऊंगा, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. ठीक है. With Scano, because I've done demo, I have realized that the moment the patient sees what the problem I have in my mouth, I want to show it to somebody. ठीक है. अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे सेंसिटिविटी और ठीक एक लौंग चबा लेता हूँ, या यहाँ पे अगर कुछ फंस रहा है तो मैं टूथपिक लगा लेता हूँ. बट द मोमेंट आई सी समथिंग, आई वांट टू डू इट. ठीक है. एंड दैट इज व्हाट डायग्नोसिस और डायग्नोस्टिक लैब्स आर आल्सो डूइंग ना. आप ब्लड टेस्ट कराते हो, आपके ब्लड में कुछ निकलता है कि ओ माय ESR levels are high, okay, I have some allergy, I have to show it to some dentist or some doctor. Same thing with Scano. अगर आप देखते हो कि आपके दांत में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, आप इमीडिएटली डेंटिस्ट के पास जाना चाहोगे टू गेट फिक्स्ड. एंड दिस इज द जनरेशन, दिखता है बिकता वाली जनरेशन. ठीक है. अब आपका दिखेगा तो ही बिकेगा. एवरीबडी इज नाउ हीरो और हीरोइन इन देयर ओन लाइफ्स. लेकिन हर एक के पास कैमरा है, हर एक के पास फोन है, हर एक ऐसा चालू करता है एंड दे बिकम द हीरो एंड हीरोइन ऑफ देयर लाइफ्स. They don't want their teeth to be looking bad, okay, because the teeth is your aesthetic feature. So it's very important, I feel, and it's a very good product where people would know कि मेरा problem क्या है. I तो would like this to be installed in every school, every college, every hotel, every place, where every malls, so that the patient becomes more aware. जितना patient aware होगा, उतने patients dentist के पास आएंगे, उतना dentist can give patient care. According to research or think we are not even treating 6% of India's population.
Correct. Yes.
So 94% of people don't even know they have problems in their teeth. With a product like Scano, it can become your third hand. Where diagnosis चाहे lab करे या चाहे Scano करे, treatment dentist कर रहा है. So initially I was also a little skeptical when I heard about Scano, because I was like, they're trying to replace dentists or what. But when I saw the product, I demoed it, I realized that it will only help us. Because the more public it goes, the more awareness it brings. It's like the digital impression, right? कि अभी आपको digital impression सब कुछ दिखता है, then the patient gets more attracted towards doing more procedures. So I think eventually it will only help the other dentists. मैं चाहता हूँ publicly आप लोग बहुत बड़ी कंपनी बन जाओ, ताकि हम dentist को और काम मिल सके.
Correct.
So वो reason.
Yeah, that's the whole mission, is to unlock that 94%, as you mentioned, of population is not coming to us because they have no idea about their oral health, and it's of course impact on overall health.
Yeah, and you make more money, so that you give it to content creators like us.
Thank you for those kind words and your genuine opinion and feedbacks on all the topics that we spoke, Dr. Gibran. Coming to the last and the most exciting part, which I love, is the rapid fire. So whatever that comes to your mind, you can. Yeah, and we are ready for that.
Yeah, rapid fire round, we are ready.
Perfect. You can actually wear that, not a problem. Yeah.
Achha, okay.
Perfect. Okay. The most craziest myth that you would like to bust about dentistry? Yes.
A lot of patients come up and say, दांत निकालने से आंखें चली जाती है और फिर ऐसे चश्मे पहनने पड़ते हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. It's the most stupid myth I've ever heard. But yeah, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ अनएजुकेटेड लोग पूछते, एजुकेटेड लोग भी यही सवाल करते हैं, मेरी आंख तो नहीं चली जाएगी. अरे नहीं होता है यार, कुछ भी नहीं होता है. एंड देन दूसरा है कि स्केलिंग से दांत लूज हो जाते हैं. It's very dumb, but yeah, patients have no knowledge about it, so we have to give them knowledge कि भाई ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं, आपके दांत ऑलरेडी लूज है, हम तो बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So yeah, these two myths are the biggest ones. I've tried to make one video also over it. So I want to bust these myths by making humorous videos so that patient will never ask you this again.
Right. We will link these videos to the chat box also, so you can see these busting myth videos. Yeah. Second, which is the craziest comment that you've got on your Insta profile so far?
So there are always good comments. ऐसी बात नहीं है. मतलब 90% are good comments. 10% कोई senior dentist का आया message. I will not take names, but one of them said, why are you ruining the profession's name? अगर डॉक्टर हो तो इज्जत दे के वीडियो बनाओ. Like what? तो मतलब या ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं, कोई ऐसे मैसेज करते हैं, but yeah, it's okay. I've taken it in a good spirit. Right. And
but a crazy comment say from patient in a good manner. Yeah.
This incident happened where a patient came to my clinic, okay? And incidentally my wife was also in the clinic on that. My wife is also a dentist, by the way. And that female patient, she came in, she said, I said, yeah, so क्या problem है आपको? Problem नहीं है sir. हम आपका वीडियो देख के आए, हमको आप बहुत क्यूट लगते हैं. And I just saw my wife come out from a chamber like this. And I said, shit यार, तुम पहले क्यों नहीं आई है? Like, मेरी वाइफ कहने में क्यों आई? And I said, नहीं मैम, अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम तो जाइए. नहीं, हम सब आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं. आप चाहिए तो कंसल्टेशन ले लीजिए, हम बात करना चाहते हैं. So my wife just came and stood like this next to me. So that was the most craziest thing that has happened.
How was the response of patient then? Did she get up and go?
अरे वो मतलब एकदम chill थी.
हाँ.
अरे हाँ ठीक है,
आप भी बैठिए.
I want to talk to him. So I like, okay, चलो अच्छा है, 500 रुपीज में मेरे जो है कंसल्टेशन में मेरे को पेशेंट से बात करने मिले, फैन से बात करने मिले. So that was the most craziest thing. And I told my wife, ये होता है, हो सकता है, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
Third, apart from writing and practicing dentistry, what is your chill time? So if you want to just shut off everything and chill, what's that one thing that you're up for anytime?
I think it's playing with my daughter, because I crave to go back home and play with my daughter. She's 3 years old now. तो अभी वो सबसे नॉटी फेज में है. तो जब भी मैं जाता हूँ, इधर she'll piggyback me, पीछे से बैठ जाएगी या कुछ तो खेलती रहेगी. So that अभी शायद इतना मैच्योर हो गया हूँ मैं कि my chill time is with daughter.
Family, right?
PlayStation पड़ा हुआ है, पर वो खेल नहीं पाता हूँ क्योंकि वो आ जाती है, बोलती है कोई कार्टून लगा दो. So but I enjoy this phase of my life where बच्चे के साथ खेलने मिला रहे हैं.
Perfect, nice. And lastly, that one piece of advice that you would like to give our audience, and our audience is a mix of young practitioners who are just coming to the practice, and also 20% of them are established practitioners.
So ज्ञान ज्यादा नहीं दूंगा, but I just want to tell anybody कि believe in yourself, then others. अपने आप में ज्यादा बिलीव करो. जो आप चाहते हो, जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, वही करो. ठीक है, मतलब आपको अगर लगता है इम्प्लांट्स में आप अच्छे हो तो आप इम्प्लांट्स करो. आपको लगता है कंटेंट क्रिएशन में अच्छे हो तो आप वो करो. Believe in what you like and you will do good in that. अगर आपको नहीं पसंद है और आप वो फोर्सफुली कर रहे हो, आप किसी ना किसी दिन उसको छोड़ दोगे. जो आपकी चाहत है वो करो. ठीक है, उससे ज्यादा तो इन जनरेशन, नए जनरेशन, पुराने जनरेशन को ज्ञान की जरूरत नहीं है. They are doing well in their own life. But yeah, do what you really like in your life.
Perfect. Follow your heart. Do whatever that you truly enjoy in, so that you won't be burnt out. You won't be bored. You always will have that passion. You always will be following your mission, and yes, you will have fun. When you're having fun, you can do it for years to come, and decades to come.
Absolutely. You don't want to be burnt out. You want to have fun.
Yes. So with that, we come to a conclusion to today's podcast. But I think there are so many other things that we can discuss, and I'm sure if you are looking towards part 2 of continuation of this podcast, and if you have any questions for Dr. Gibran, please feel free to put it in the comment box.
Or if you want me to go to Big Boss house and then talk to no, I'm just kidding.
You can actually apply, right?
I had applied once. I don't want to tell it to anybody, but I did. I got rejected after the second round. But yeah, that's a different thing. I couldn't fight much. Huh?
Yeah, you're too sweet to fight.
I'm too sweet to fight.
So there we conclude, and we will be looking forward to you in the next episodes to come. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and do what your heart says to. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you. See you guys. मेरा पैसा convince.
क्या? पैसे?
यहीं से इस्तांबुल निकल जाऊंगा मैं.
चलो.
Thank you guys. Bye bye. Thank you for having me.
That was wonderful.